It's too bad this townhouse is not in Sydney. If it was, it'd most likely have sold by now, and for a princely sum at that. Instead, it's in Peppermint Grove, the wealthiest suburb of Perth in Western Australia. What do you think of this place, Gavin?
This is truly a unique property in one of the best suburbs of Perth, Peppermint Grove. At the peak of the boom, we're probably looking at a property like this probably being worth $1.5 million. Today, under $1 million.
It's been on the market now for more than 5 months and hasn't attracted a single offer. Property prices across Australia rose 6.8% in the year to December. In Sydney, the growth was a staggering 12.2%, but in Perth it was just 1.2% and trending down.
We're seeing a boom in Sydney at the moment, for instance, and probably a downturn in Perth. People are probably overreacting on the upside in Sydney and probably overreacting on the downside in Perth. So we're opposite ends of the spectrum. And the interesting thing is that we probably need interest rate drops in Perth, which is what we're getting. Probably Sydney probably needs interest rate rises.
The fortunes of Australia's most isolated city have changed quickly and dramatically. Rich iron ore deposits in the state's far north put Perth at the frontier of a mining boom not seen in Australia since the 1850s gold rush. At its peak, real estate prices soared, but iron ore prices have since fallen, new mines are not being built, and real estate is now a tough sell. Hay Street in downtown Perth was once the home to many of Western Australia's small-cap mining companies. Today, the 4 lease signs are up. This month, the state government announced a doubling of the deficit as mining royalties and tax revenues declined.
The 2015-16 budget has been prepared in the most challenging economic and fiscal environment the state has faced in at least 3 decades.
The last echoes of the resources boom in Perth can still be heard at Burswood, where a gleaming new $800 million stadium is under construction, one of many public works projects still underway. The big earning, big spending days, though, are almost done, as the boom fades into something unfamiliar. Maybe it's called normality. Paul Allen, Bloomberg, Perth, Western Australia.